Top credit card tips for 2023. Maximizing rewards and minimizing debt. Hey there, welcome back to the Success Guide. Today, we have an exciting video for you, all about credit card tips for the year 2023. With so many changes happening in the world of finance, it's essential to stay up to date on the best strategies for managing your credit cards. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Tip 1. Choose the right credit card for your lifestyle. The first tip for 2023 is to make sure you're using the right credit card for your lifestyle. With the vast range of credit card options available, it's crucial to choose one that aligns with your spending habits and rewards preferences. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a shopaholic, or a budget-conscious individual, there's a credit card out there designed specifically for you. Tip 2. Leverage contactless payment and mobile wallets. In 2023, contactless payment and mobile wallets are more popular than ever. Not only are they convenient, but they also offer enhanced security. By linking your credit card to your mobile wallet, such as Apple Pay or Google Pay, you can make secure payments using your smartphone or smartwatch. It's a great way to keep your credit card information safe while enjoying the convenience of a seamless checkout experience. Tip 3. Stay on top of your credit card rewards. When it comes to credit card rewards, staying informed is key. Make sure to regularly review your credit card's reward program, as they often change over time. Take advantage of bonus categories, limited time offers, and loyalty programs that can help you earn more rewards. Whether it's cash back, airline miles, or hotel points, understanding your credit card's reward structure allows you to maximize your benefits and get the most out of your spending. Tip 4. Manage your credit card debt wisely. While credit cards offer convenience and rewards, it's crucial to manage your debt responsibly. In 2023, maintaining a healthy credit score is more important than ever. Pay your credit card bills on time and in full whenever possible to avoid unnecessary interest charges. If you find yourself carrying a balance, consider transferring it to a card with a low or 0% introductory APR to help reduce interest costs and pay off your debt faster. Tip 5. Be mindful of security and fraud protection. In an increasingly digital world, credit card security is paramount. Take proactive steps to protect yourself from fraud and unauthorized transactions. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible, and regularly monitor your credit card statements for any suspicious activity. If you notice anything unusual, contact your credit card issuer immediately. Being vigilant about security ensures that your credit card remains a safe and reliable financial tool. And there you have it, our top credit card tips for 2023. Remember, by choosing the right credit card, leveraging contactless payment methods, staying on top of rewards, managing your debt wisely, and prioritizing security, you'll be well equipped to make the most of your credit cards this year. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. As always,